In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen an image in Photoshop 2024. Sharpening an image can be a critical part of editing, enhancing the details, and making your photo stand out with precision. Whether you're looking to emphasize textures or simply bring out the finer elements of your photograph, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, we need to open Photoshop. Launch the application and you'll be greeted with the vibrant workspace of Adobe's latest version. If you're new to Photoshop, don't worry, it's a user-friendly tool and we'll walk through each step together. Now, let's add the image you want to sharpen. You can do this by dragging the file directly into the workspace. Alternatively, head to the menu bar, click on File, and then Open. Navigate to where your image is stored, select it, and hit Open. Your image will appear on the screen, ready for editing. Once your image is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Filter menu. Click on Filter, which will reveal a drop-down list of several options. For this operation, we're going to focus on the Sharpen options. Hover over Sharpen to see further choices like Sharpen Edges, Sharpen More, and the more customizable Smart Sharpen. For the purpose of this guide, we'll use Smart Sharpen. It offers fine-tuned control over how sharp your image can be. After selecting Smart Sharpen, a new window will pop up, providing a range of sliders to adjust. Here's where your personal preference comes into play. The Amount slider controls how much to increase the contrast of pixels. If your image is high in contrast, moving this slider to the right can help bring out details. The Radius slider determines how many pixels surrounding the edges are affected. Typically, small numbers like 1.0 to 2.0 work well, but this can vary based on your image's resolution. Lastly, Reduce Noise is essential for controlling any grain that sharpening can introduce. Keeping this slider at a moderate level can help maintain image quality. Once you've made your adjustments, remember to preview the changes to ensure satisfaction. It's advisable to zoom in on your image to see the subtle differences and make sure the details are just right without overdoing it. Finally, when you're happy with how your image looks, it's time to save your work. Click File at the top left of the workspace, select Save As, and choose your desired format and location. Naming your file appropriately can help organize your projects better. And there you have it, you've sharpened your image using Photoshop 2024. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these steps will help you enhance your photographs with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.